So you just launched your first AI product, you got a cool new domain name, and now next step is you need more visitors and more users on your website. One way of doing it is you can start paid campaigns. That means you can pay to Facebook or Google to promote your product. But there is another way, which is organic traffic. That means, let's suppose if your product is AI image enhancer, and I as a user, if I look for AI image enhancer on Google, and you can see there are a lot of websites ranked here on Google on this particular keyword. There are more than 16.4 billion searches on Google every single day. That's like 189,000 searches per second. That means there's a lot of potential for a product if you rank your product on right keywords on Google. And to rank your website on a certain keyword on Google, you need to write content on that certain keyword. Now, if you write content simply just using ChatGPT and copy paste that on your website, there is a very high chance that Google will penalize your AI content. That means Google's algorithm will not promote your website in ranking. Google still loves content written by humans. So we need to find a way that we can generate content with AI, and then we can humanize that content, and then we can post that content on our website. There are a lot of tools out there that can humanize your AI generated content, but in this video we're going to talk about Humbot.ai. Humbot is an AI content humanizer and it bypasses AI detection. To open Humbot on Google, simply just write Humbot and then you can find this link, Humbot.ai. Simply just open this link and then you can see this website will open. To write content for our website, we are going to use Hix.ai. You can find Hix.ai on Google. Simply just write Hix AI, and in here you can simply just find this link, which is Hix.ai. Simply just open this link and then you can find this website. Hix.ai allows you to generate unlimited content using DeepSeek R1. That means you can generate free and unlimited content using DeepSeek R1 on Hix.ai. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to generate content using Hix.ai. Then we are going to use Humbot to humanize that content. And after that, we are going to test that humanized content on various different AI detectors. Something like GPT-0, originality, and copy leaks. Alright, let's just generate content using Hix.ai for one of my AI product, which is AI thumbnail checker. So this is a website that I'm going to working on these days, and I'm going to create content for this website. So I'll just give it a prompt and create content for my website. I'll just open this speech to text tool. You can use this speech to text tool on Windows by simply pressing Windows plus H key. A blog for my AI thumbnails checker tool. The name of my tool is Thumbnails Guru. Please create high quality, SEO friendly content. My main keyword is AI thumbnails checker. After that, simply just press send. It will ask you to continue with Google. Simply just sign up using your Google account. And now you can see I'm logged in and my prompt is here. And after that, I'll simply just press on send. Now it will start creating content. You can see we can generate this content absolutely for free. So in here it has got title for my blog. After that, now it is writing content for my blog. It is creating a very well structured and very organized blog. So the first section that it has created is introductions. After that, why thumbnails matter more than ever. Then it is adding some stats in there. Then what is Thumbnails Guru. After that, key features of Thumbnails Guru. Why use an AI thumbnail checker. Why use an AI thumbnails checker. How to use Thumbnails Guru in 3 steps. Who needs Thumbnails Guru. So almost every single thing that will be required in my blog, it has created that inside this content. So once our content is ready, now let's open Humbot. So to open Humbot, simply just search on Google Humbot.ai. And from here, simply just open this link, which is Humbot.ai. Simply just open this link and make sure that you are on this URL, you are on this website. After that, simply just log in. I have just logged in using my account. I have just logged in using my account details. Okay, before I humanize this content, let's just use these different AI detectors to check if these AI detectors detect that our content, which we just wrote using Hix.ai, if these detectors detect this content as AI generated content. So what I'll do, I'll go back to Hix.ai and copy this content that we just generated. I'll simply just press on this copy button. Then I'll paste that inside this GPT-0. I'll paste my content in here. I'll just start the scan. And right now you can see it has detected that this content was 99% AI generated. Similarly, let's just paste that content inside this originality.ai. Paste that content in here. After that, press on scan. And now it should run its scan. And just like that, you can see it has detected that our content is 100% AI generated. Next, let's just use copy leaks. I'll paste my content in here. I'll press on the scan button and now it should scan again. And now it should scan. Right now it is scanning. And again, you can see it is showing that this content is 99.9% AI generated. Next, let's just use this 0gpt.com. I'll paste my content in here. I'll click on this detect button. And right now you can see that this tool is also showing that this content is AI generated. Now let's just go to Humbot.ai and paste our content in here. And then let's just click on this humanize button. So once Humbot.ai will humanize our content, we'll run our test once again in all of these different tools to see if our content is now humanized or not. So I'll simply just click on this humanize button. So you can see right now it is humanizing our text. It is using these different AI detector tools. Again, it is checking on all of these different AI detector tools, which is GPT-0, CopyLeaks, 0GPT. Now it has humanized this content. What I'll do, I'll simply just copy this content from here. I'll go back to this GPT-0. I'll click on this add new, click on new scan, and then I'll just paste that copied content from there, which was humanized. After that, I'll simply just click on the scan button, and just like that, you can see our content is human generated. After that, I'll go to originality.ai and paste my content, which was humanized using Humbot. I'll click on this scan, and now let's see if it detects that this content is human generated or not. So right now it is just running this scan, and just like that, you can see our content is 99% human generated. Now let's go to this copyleaks.com, click on scan, paste that text, press enter, click on scan, and now it will run its scan. Next, let's just test it with 0GPT. I'll paste my content and click on this detect text. And right now you can see that it has detected that our content is human written. So once your content is humanized, you can now use it on your website, and Google will treat it as human written content, and your website will rank faster. To access Humbot and Hix.ai, I have provided links in description. You can have a look. And if you have any further questions, please leave a comment in comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.